currently here at Kasadja Beach. So this tour, guys, is in partnership with Ronda LGU. So here, hi guys.
I'm Pearl Ungab. I'm one of the counselor of Ronda Cebu, and mao ni ato ang mga atong president sa association diri sa Barangay Santa Cruz, Kasadya. And si Ma'am
Treasurer.
Sa treasurer
Then
si
sa LGU.
and sa
Okay.
LGU si Ma'am Letty.
Okay. So guys, today we'll go to the sanctuary.
Actually kani siya na discover gini siya katong na atoy nag-trending nga si katong taga Ronda rapod nga ni Ari diri. We are happy that you are here kay to promote the tourism. Kay actually we're affected of
Yeah.
60% sa ato ang turismo na naapektahan gyud, and most likely mo increase pa to 80% kung dili kita kabangon. So
Yes.
nag-aghaw ko sa tanan, not only for the locals to avail diri sa atong suruyan ang atong dagat sa Kasadja. Hunas na lang noon karon. Pero ang ako lang is we can have another market sa gawas, pero it doesn't mean nga be open na ta for sa atong tourism. We still have to maintain the protocols.
Yeah.
Atong ikuan kay puyo kay mabalik na sa taglaing second wave.
Yeah.
So we welcome you to Kasadya.
Okay,
Santa Cruz.
let's go! Alright guys, so padung na mi sa sanctuary, and to get there, we have to ride a boat which cost 150 pesos per person. So muna siya guys. And I'm with Chasey James.
Hey!
And Fidio Pacho. Don't say anything. And Margaret. And some other BYC fam. Look at that view, guys. My God. Hello. Hi.
Sabi ka struggle guys, so... Hala kuya, nilawam na siya! Gilis na tako, oy!
Gano'n man ka nag-short.
Okay ra, mag-short sa dara, oh! Naglibog ko guys, kung ato ko maghubo, ang arriba ko dili maghubo, lahan king tao! Trending ang kigol, dili ang Kasadya!
And moto mo dito sa floating cottage na si Kuya.
So guys,
So by the way, unsa na siya? Unsa na siya na island, Kuya?
ingon nga!
Negros na siya? Oh.
Municipality of Gihulngan.
Gihulngan, Negros. Amazing. Nag-boardless?
Yes guys, so ako nag-expect ko maghubo ko diri, nanig yun yung mga artista dahil maghubo sa public, no?
Ano man na siya?
Pero laban lang kay excited kay kumutanaw sa mga kadagatan o mga kaisdaan.
Sige, tara! Na ako mga say Tubers Club, and that's Counselor Pearl. Siya mong guide for today. Yes, na 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 na. Calls me. Na na. So far I go. Yawa.
Ay, yabang kayo! Naabot namin no, in just a seconds ra.
Oh, yun.
Huwag ko nag-expect na naabot na namin. Guys, lagay ko clip sa ako ang portion ha.
Tanaw na.
Pag abot kay DJ, ako slow-mo.
Tupas nga.
Oh. Margaret is getting ready.
Good luck
Siya na lang ang
Usog
magkuhan.
kayo ang sog.
And tanawa guys, it's very blue. And dili lang ko maligo guys, kay man ako ligo. Si Margaret na atong kuhan siya guys, siya naman ako maligo.
Model. Oh, sorry. Uy.
What's that?
So guys, are you ready?
Bakit ko, narapatas dagat!
Alright guys.
Dili kay siya hangin? Unsa ba?
Madiri na gid nila, may laboy na gid diri no, why extra breath?
Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, You never lie, you're never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot.
Careful, DJ. Yun guys, dito. Dito siya no. Kita mo yung daughter mo? How far it goes?
Oh my God. Picture na lang tabi.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
Alright, taste friends. So we're back here. So karon guys, we're off to Villa
Milagrosa.
Milagrosa.
Sa
So
Botong.
ato ta mag
Yes, Botong Ronda ang Villa Milagrosa. So atong i-witness kung unsa ilang mga quantity to. Kay bag-o man gud siyang lighting.
Yeah, sige, let's go guys. Hello, what's up taste friends? So we're currently here at Villa Milagrosa. Yes, and nagabihan na gud mi dire kay kuan. So this is still located here at Ronda.
Welcome everyone to Barangay Butong and we are on top of Ronda.
Hello, what's up these friends? So we're currently here at the newest attraction here in Ronda, so which is the Villa Milagrosa. So this is a place guys for prayer and meditation. So if you want to meditate and just relax and you want to pray, and so muna siya ang place there guys. It's actually nice here kay daghan kay trees, so relaxing gid kayo siya. And aside from that, kanang daghan kay siya mga kuan dire, kanang mga nindot na view. Actually nabot mi guys kay gabi na, so at least nice man gihapon siyang place. Pero I think mas nice ni siya if buntag. So mo na siya guys. So this is the relic of Villa Milagrosa. Milagrosa is like from the word milagrosa, miraculous. So mo na siya guys. By the way guys, I'm with Counselor Pearl.
Akong giawhag ang tanan pag-ari sa Villa Milagrosa, labi na karon nga naata sa kalisod. I hope dili lang ta moari sa kalisod. Kay side nga naatay mga pagampo, daghan tag attraction diri kay ato nang gi-enhance na sa atong actually this is a project of the former mayor and my former vice mayor, my husband, sa before, and then ang kani siya gyud actually this is very significant and very important to me kasi sa una ngit-ngit pa jud kay ni siya kay this is murag private pa man ni siya nga property. And then one time I woke up at around 3 a.m. nagkusog kay uwan. Nakalit ko bangon kay duol man ni sa among balay. Oo. And then dito ni kalit og kilat, kusog kaayo, nag-lightning ni siya. So ang iyang kaning birhen, iyang image mismo murag mao siya ni flash cute ni dagan ko sa mong sala nga nag-lightning mo gyud ako nakit-an. Mo to the following morning I told my husband na please inform your tourism officer na kung mahimo masugaan na in town ang birhen. Kay I don't think it's a coincidence kay ako devoted mo pud ko ni Mama Mary. And then nakita na ako nga murag nagi siya mensahe nga pasugaan siya. So mo to kay murag nakuanan man ni sa contractor, murag nabiyaan mo to napadayon gid siya nga gitrabaho siya karon mo na ni siya product mo to ningon ko sa akong husband nga pasigai in town na ninyo kay mingaw kay mo to among gikuan si Konselayagin ang atong tourism officer. Mo to siya na karon na materialize na gyud ang Villa Milagrosa. Kaloy sa Diyos.
Bitaw, nice kayo cons kay nice kay ang lighting. You did a great
Nindot sa
job.
kay ni siya ang kanang ikaadlawan.
Ulagi.
Mura sa siya mura sa siya bagyo.
Bitaw.
Kay bugnaw kaayo
Mura
ni
kog
diri.
nas Tagaytay ron or
Pero if you want to see the view from afar, nindot kay ni iyang lighting.
So yung
karon di
kayo
kay
kay
katapi,
muli
kay
na
naamang
kamo
bukas sa kuan.
tomorrow.
Pero makita nimo.
Sige, anyway, sumora to siya. Thank you, Cons! I'm watching the premiere of Ian. Shout out, Ian! Hi, Ian! Wow! Say hello! So, Tracy James. Tumara siya ng vlog, guys. Katong dito mi sa North. So, namin diri sa cottage, guys. Nice kayong lighting diri.
hangin.
Lami ang
Relaxing
hangin.
kayo super. Wako nag-expect yan ani day kanindot. English ni Bisaya.
English.
Okay, so guys, we're here at Nipa Hut. So you can see the Nipa. There's a light.
And the lighting is very nice.
Yes.
And the breeze is so
Very cold.
So very cold.
Bokat, kinahot nag English. Mga hoy sa amin.
Alright, days friends, so we're now here at Consular's Pearls kanang resort, resort good. Resort ko na. So, namin sila i-prepare for us na food. So, natin guys, alright.
This is our humba de ronda.
Oh! Ano yung specialty sa Ronda?
Ronda.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Cons. Okay,
Yes, labi kay naong ilang humba. Promise. Proud kay kong rondahanon, no? Yeah, nakapatilaw ninyo sa humba ni Ronda. Thank you kayo ni Madam Alma Ungab. Salamat sa DI. Go, Kong.
What's your name? What's your name?
My full name is Princess Zata Amajit.
Oh, you really look like a princess.
Thank you.
Oh. So, maroy, mahutag ng English na English? Mahutag to English. Kasi kay Becca nandi, kay I heard na you like to vlog. You like to vlog?
So that.
Okay, get. I will teach you how to vlog. Sige, you hold this camera. You try to hold the camera. Oh my god. Okay. And then talk. Hey!
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Aww, you're so cute! So cute! Wala siyang anak ni Konsihal. Thank you! So, mag-dinner sa mi guys. After na mag-dinner kay night swimming mi sa ilang swimming pool ni Konsihal. Diba? Amazing! And sila, kanaligo na sila. Oh, wow! Ang sexy naman ni Maestro Laagan. And ni Harley. Where's the Harley, be?
Same
Ipakita,
organi,
be. Ay, wow! Sana all! Sige, mga all sa tag, guys. Bro, na-miss na kuhan, guys. Kaya daw mag-birthday. Na-ikuan. Gihawan yun din minimog baboy, Cons. Thank you, good ka, Cons. Ugma, guys, kay baka na sad. Baka meron, baka wala.
Next week ay mag-lechon baka.
Wow!
Wala, pag-iusan na lang nato kayo, no?
Let's eat, guys. So, I have
Yung sabi
humba de ronda and unsa ni siya? Kani hamonada and orange na baboy.
So hey guys, I'm with a new vlogger here. She's interested to join Bisaya YouTubers Club. So can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, everyone. My name is Princess Zata Amajit.
So again, so you're from Ronda or Cebu City or both?
Ronda.
Ronda. Okay, how old are you again?
I'm 9 years old.
Why do you want to vlog?
I just want to entertain the people, others, and it's just fun.
What do you want to vlog about?
Vlog about challenges.
Challenges with your sisters?
Yeah, and just vlog the whole day. And
Vlog the whole day. Okay, what are your skills? What are your hobbies? What do you like doing?
I like dancing.
Dancing, ballet? Oh, you have a TikTok, right? What's your name in TikTok?
My name in TikTok is Princess Zata Ungab.
Oh, your full name. What's your nickname?
Z.
Letter Z or EE? Oh, Z with an EE. Okay. Invite the people to subscribe to your channel, future channel. What's your channel going to be named? You don't know the name yet? Make sure it's something personal and not common. Like Daisy has DAYSEE, but her name is Daisy with the flower, right? So guys, don't forget, if she has her channel, we need to support her because she's doing her first vlog now with me. So again, she'll be joining BYC soon, so we'll be spending our Christmas party here in December, of course. Thank you so much to Counselor Pearl Ungab for having us today, for touring us around Ronda, and I hope you guys support Z. Thank you so much. Don't forget to leave a like. ask questions in the comment section, and subscribe and tap on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. Bye!
Alright guys, so manamig dinner and sila guys, kay manguli na sila.
Bye guys, bye Daisy.
Bye-bye.
Bye Days friends.
Bye. Okay, they have to leave at 2 a.m. guys because they have work
Yeah.
early in the morning.
If only we could leave our work for vlog.
So ako guys, I will stay here kay tomorrow morning ko mo gikan po padung Cebu. So yes. Alright guys friends, so as you can see, we're all settled. So arish na patog si Jack and si Boy. So na sila dira and there is si Kian and I'm staying here guys. So thank you so much Konsihal Pearl for hosting us here in Rwanda. By the way guys, so I think I'm gonna sleep now. I'm so tired. So tomorrow is another day and tomorrow kay mag farm living may and trabalu diri sa Rwanda or sa farm. So yes guys, see you tomorrow. Good night, bye.